In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear marker lens on this Jeep Grand Cherokee. This will be mounted to your rear bumper cover. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. To be able to remove this, we have to make our way safely underneath the rear of the vehicle. On either side of your vehicle, you can see where the marker lens connects to that bumper cover. It's very simple to remove this. On the outer edge of the marker lamp, there's a small locking tab. Press that towards the center and start pressing the marker lamp out. And there it is, friend. The next thing you want to do is clean and inspect the mounting point. We'll just give this a quick wipe, close inspection. Now we can install our rear marker lens. When installing this, you have a tab that's on the inboard side. This one will just slide right into the groove. The other one is the locking tab. That's going to lock in along the outward groove here. Come in at an angle, pressing it in. Listen for a click. Double check, make sure that's properly secured in place. Okay friend, we finished our installation. You just want to make sure it's properly secured. Thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.